Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Polito and I am an experienced trader. I've been working with various investment banks and hedge funds in US and Europe. If you are interested about learning trading, option, forex, Bitcoin, crypto or future and stocks from the only legitimate trader who trade with real money, you are in the right place. And please don't take any shortcut or skip important part of the video. Watch all of it till the end because there is very important things in the video and I don't want you to miss it. And if it is the first time here, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification on to always get our latest update, tips, and videos because every weekend we put a new video in the channel. And if you got any question or suggestion, just write it in a comment or by using my email, then I will reply you because I reply all the comments in my channel. Even if there are millions, I will reply all of them. And don't forget to like the video because I work hard to make this video. So my friend, let's dive into the lesson of today. And if you want any of my courses, they are in the first comment with a coupon discount of 90%. Think it's a very good deal and you got 30 days money back if you don't like any of my courses. So hope to see you, one of my students. So let's dive into the lesson of today. Bye, my friend. Hello, my friend. What you going to learn in this Bitcoin trading course? You're going to learn in this course. First, you're going to learn what is Bitcoin, and you're going to learn all the basics about it, when it starts, and the future of it, and the future of the Bitcoin, and etc. Want to learn everything about Bitcoin, like Bitcoin wallet, Bitcoin mining, how to get Bitcoins, who is Satoshi Nakamoto, and the history of Bitcoin. And you're going to know why all the cryptocurrencies and altcoin they flow only Bitcoin. And I will show you how to open a Binance account to start Bitcoin trading. And I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin using your debit card or Visa card or bank transfer. And I will teach you how to deposit Bitcoin and withdraw it from your Bitcoin trading account. And I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView and how to open a TradingView account for free. And I will teach you how to use my highly profitable trading strategy to start Bitcoin trading today. And you're going to learn how to open a demo account in TradingView and start practicing to get familiar with the trading strategy I will teach you. So I think everything is clear. Let's dive in more to see what is it there. And you're going to learn a highly money management strategy to be always profitable and never ever lose. And you're going to learn when to buy Bitcoin and when to sell the Bitcoin you buy. And you're going to learn how to trade Bitcoin for beginners. And I will show you all the Bitcoin trading tips, and I will show you all the Bitcoin trading seeds you need to know. What is the goal of this course? The goal of this course for you guys to will be able to really trade by yourself. I'm not here to try to sell you a strategy that works 100% or a holy grail. My goal here is really to show you what is trading, how it works, and what is the professional approach. So this why you will be really on your own with a strong knowledge and you will be able to be constantly profitable. That's my goal. My goal is not to sell you an indicator of FIBS or something is named Holy Grail. So you will see trading is maybe not easy. Yeah, It's simple, but it's not easy. But it definitely worth it. So as I said, my goal here is really to help you understand how to be constantly profitable and to help you start in this world the right way with a solid knowledge and the right knowledge. What will you be able to accomplish by the end of this course? So very simple. You will know exactly how to use our trading strategy. You will know exactly how to enter in a trading and buy Bitcoin. You will know exactly how to use money management strategy I will teach you. And you will know exactly how to open a trading account and a demo account. You will know exactly how to withdraw and deposit Bitcoin to your account, and you will be able to do all that by yourself. So I hope you guys are excited as me to take this course, since when you will finish this course, will be able to trade by your own, and you will have a solid basic about the trading strategy I will teach you and how to use it by your own. So let's not wait anymore and let's start our trading journey. And in the first comment down, you're going to find the 90% discount to the course. The course it costs $200, but you're going to get it only by $12. So, my friend, don't waste this opportunity. Go down the first comment or in the description. You're going to find a link, a coupon of 90% off to the course. Don't waste this opportunity. What I will teach you is highly paid information. So, hope see you there. And if you don't like the course, you got 30 days money back, guaranteed. So all you need is just to enroll the course. Hope to see you inside, guys. Bye for now.